Maybe you're thinking of how to market your business because your phone isn't ringing as much as you'd like it to, or your website is quiet, or you're tired of relying on word of mouth. Then just listen up, because I'm going to share with you top 5 ways to consistently get more customers, leads, and inquiries flowing into your business. Plus, I'm going to be giving you a bonus strategy whereby 70% of people and businesses are completely missing out on, and it's costing them thousands in lost sales. Now, if you'd like a personalized free marketing consultation where we'll build you a free personalized online growth roadmap, then click on the link below or go to booking.aimpro.co.uk, whereby either myself or a member of my team will jump onto a call with you and we'll discuss your current marketing strategies, what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and we'll build you out a complete blueprint. Now, before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I run an award-winning digital marketing agency in Birmingham City Centre called Aimpro Digital. At Aimpro, we help businesses just like yours to get more inquiries, more leads, and we use simple but smart marketing strategies to help them achieve their goals. So let's jump straight into it. The first strategy I'm going to tell you about is called Google Maps. And what Google Maps does, it helps you to get found locally. When somebody's searching for something like lawyers near me or plumbers near me, basically they are looking for a local company. So what happens in this case is that Google Maps shows the top 3 results, and these are known as local map pack. So if you're not in the top 3, then your business is going to be invisible and you are not going to show up and you're not going to get these inquiries. And those people that are showing up in the top 3 of Google Maps are the people that are going to be winning all the inquiries. We've helped dozens of local businesses to get into those top 3 spots, and that's where all the magic happens. And that's where the calls start to come in. And if you want to know exactly how to rank in the top 3, then what you need to do is just click on the button below and we'll show you exactly how to do it. The second strategy is called SEO, stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now, SEO isn't just about stuffing your keywords anymore. It's about being the trusted answer Google wants to show. Now, with AI search now rewriting how results appear, your content needs to be laser focused on real questions customers are asking. Now, with SEO, you can take advantage of free clicks to your website from Google, which then turns into leads and inquiries. What we can do is that we'll run a free SEO audit to show which keywords you should be ranking for, which keywords you're not currently ranking for, and what's holding you back from your keywords or your website being shown on Google or the AI overview instead of your competitors. The third strategy is meta ads, in other words, Facebook and Instagram. Now, these platforms still drive incredible results, but not through random boosted posts. The real power comes in from retargeting, reaching people who already visited your website or engaged with your post. And that's where the magic really happens. We can even show you ads to people who need your service. For example, someone who is about to get married might be interested in your service if you're, for example, a wedding planner or you're a limo hire company, just as an example. So what will happen in this case is we can detect who's about to get married or who's got an interest in getting married, and we can show them your business because you're likely to help them out or provide them with a service. The fourth most powerful way is Google Ads. And what Google Ads does is it allows you to get instant visibility. And this is super powerful. When people are ready to buy, they go to Google. Google Ads allows your business to appear right at the top of the page when people are actively looking for your services. And the best thing is you can start getting leads and inquiries within typically 1 week. But most businesses end up wasting a lot of money because they got poor targeting, their Google Ads campaign hasn't been set up correctly, their locations are wrong, the ads are wrong, the text is wrong. There's so many things that are wrong with their Google Ads campaign. If you get in touch with us, what we can do, if you already got a Google Ads campaign, we'll check your campaign for you. We'll show you what's right, what's wrong, where you're wasting money, and how you can use Google Ads to make it into a constant machine driving you leads and inquiries at a very low cost. So what you can do is that if you're interested in finding out, click on the button below, schedule a call, and one of our experts will be in touch with you. The fifth way you can start getting more leads into your business is something called lead magnets. And what lead magnets do is that they turn visitors into leads. Now, imagine someone visits your website but doesn't call you. That's like 90% of your traffic gone. What a lead magnet does, it's like giving a free guide or a calculator or a checklist, and you can capture their email, their name, their phone number, which you can then follow up later. And the rationale behind lead magnets is that no one's going to download your lead magnet if they're not interested in your products or services. The only people that are going to download it is if they're interested. So then you can then call them and say, hey, John, for example, I see that you downloaded our lead magnet just out of interest. How did you find it? And then you can get into these sales conversations with them. Also, using a lead magnet, you can just stay in touch with them. You can build trust. You can turn browsers into buyers. When you book a strategy call with us, we'll show you exactly how to design one that fits your business perfectly to help you get a consistent stream of leads flowing into your business. And now for the bonus, the missing strategy, the automated follow-up systems. Now, 70% of businesses are missing this. Proper automated follow-ups. You spend money on ads. You spend money by giving it to your marketing agency, or you're doing SEO and Facebook ads and so much more. But most businesses never follow them up properly. No reminders, no automations, no text messages, nothing. And that's where we can help. We can help you to set up an automated follow-up systems that turn cold leads into hot buying customers. So there are the 5 strategies that I wanted to tell you about, plus one game-changing strategy to help your business get more leads and inquiries online. What I'd love you to do is to jump onto a free marketing consultation, which is absolutely free, whereby we'll show you a roadmap. And the roadmap will show you things like where your business stands right now, what's holding you back, and the exact steps that you need to do to get your marketing back on track again, so you can get a consistent leads and inquiries flowing into your business, and it's predictable, so you know exactly how many leads you're going to get every single week or every single day. Now you might be asking, why is it free? Because we're confident that once you see how much value we can give to your business, you'll probably want to implement it. But that's absolutely at no obligation. This call is an absolute free call. There'll be no sales on it, right? It's just to help you. But we do know that a certain number of people will want our help. And that's where we benefit. And that's where we help your business to benefit. So just to wrap it up, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm from Digital Marketing Agency in Birmingham, helping businesses to grow smarter, not harder. Book a free strategy session with us right now by clicking on the button below or visiting booking.aimpro.co.uk. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. And if you have taken the time to get as far as this video and you've seen it all, then why not just book a call? It's absolutely free. You've got nothing to lose, everything to gain. Goodbye for now.